Welcome to plot 63 here at Davidsons at Little Bowden in Market Harborough. As you walk into the house, you can see we have installed premium Antico flooring and carpets throughout. To the left hand side here, there is a very handy storage cupboard, perfect for keeping your new home clutter free. You could put a rail in here and use it as a cloakroom. Let's go and take a look in the kitchen area. As you can see, there are integrated appliances, and that includes a microwave, your oven, both by AEG, as well as a 4-ring gas hob and extractor hood. And then you have got your fridge freezer. So this means that you could do your food shop on the day you move in and put it all away. We've also upgraded this kitchen to include a washer dryer, and that is by Zanuski. And as you can see on this side, you have got your sink, which overlooks your front garden. Going into the living area now. So there is a dining area here where we have put a dining table, but you can lay this out however you wish. We have put the seating area over this side of the room. That's due to the TV points. And as you can see, there is one on the wall, so you could have your TV on the wall, or there is a media plate at the bottom there, so you could have your TV on a stand in the corner, however you wish to lay this out. You can see this room is flooded with natural light, and that's coming in through these French doors with windows either side. This is perfect to embrace indoor and outdoor living. There is also a very convenient, spacious WC off this room. And now let's go and take a look upstairs. As you can see as we go upstairs, that there is this huge window letting in lots of natural light. And as you walk upstairs, you can see your garden from the window. Coming up to the top of the stairs, you have this boiler cupboard, which has got some storage in here, which is perfect for keeping your bed sheets, towels, everything like that. We keep it nice and toasty in there. Going into the second bedroom, which is the smallest of the two, but is also still a very good size. As you can see, we have put a double bed in here with bedside tables either side. You have a lovely big window there, and also space for either a desk if you work from home, a dressing table, or even wardrobes. Going into the master, this is a very spacious master bedroom. As you can see, we have got a king-size bed in here with 2 very large bedside tables either side. There is space in the far side there to have wardrobes, or you can have them in the corner here. There is also a TV point in the master bedroom, so you could have a TV on the wall or on a stand in the corner there if you wish to have a TV to watch it in bed. Go into the main bathroom, which also doubles up as an ensuite to the master bedroom. As you can see, as soon as we walk in, there is a separate shower with premium porcelanosa tiles and a bath with a shower head over the bath. There is also Villeroy and Boch designer sanitary ware in this bathroom. If you have any questions, then please find all of the information within the description.